Hello friends! Hope your day is going well. Today I am transforming into a pop art zombie and this is how it turned out. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then keep on watching. So first things first, we're going to be drawing out our outline with a white eyeliner. I use white just because it's easy to wipe off. I have a bunch of reference photos in my phone. I'm always ready because I'm a very visual person. I need to see stuff. It helps me kind of work a little bit better. So I always have my pictures so I kind of have an idea of what it is I like. Alright, so now that I'm happy with the outline, I'm just going to be taking some red Paradise paint from Mayron and I'm just going to start to fill in these kind of rips that I drew here. Alright, so now I'm going to fill in the whites. So I'm going to fill in the teeth right now and the bones. Alright guys, so now that I went ahead and finished filling everything in with white, around the bones and the teeth, I'm just going to go with some red and just clean that up and finish up the holes. And then yeah, I'll be right back. So for these patches, I'm going to start to add some depth so it looks more realistic. So I'm just taking a very small flat brush like so. And I'm just going to take a little bit of burgundy eyeshadow and just start to only pack it around the edge. Just a little bit of difference is crazy. So I'm going to repeat that process on all of these spots using the same eyeshadows, doing the same exact thing I just did. And once I'm happy, I will be back. I finished up the teeth. I shaded the body. I'm very happy with everything. So I started one brow off camera. I'm gonna do the other. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm using some red body paint and I'm just filling them in and making them extra blocky because this is still a comic book kind of pop art version of a zombie, so I don't want it to be super realistic. I want it to be very structured. Alright, so now I'm just going to take some green foundation and clean up the brows. I'm also going to do a black outline once I'm done carving out. I actually decided instead of doing the brain, it really bothered me that the paint kind of didn't go with anything else in the look, so I threw it out. I just did 2 little gashes on the forehead, so it's not too much. But now's the fun part. We're just going to fill in with the green. So I'm just using a lime green Mayron Paradise paint. Alright guys, so now that I finished that up, I just went ahead and popped on my lashes and did some highlight. So now for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with MAC Cyber World Lip Pencil. So just like that, I'm a big fan of ombre lip, so I'm going to fade this in a little bit more and then we're going to put a brighter red lipstick in the center. Alright, so then next I'm going to be taking the MAC lipstick in Ruby Woo. So I went along and did that. I popped in my contacts. Contacts make such a big difference. I love contacts. And I went along and finished this under eye because, yeah, let's save some time. So now I'm going to take a Mayron Red Paradise paint and just a paintbrush. I love my paintbrushes. I have no pattern to the stripes, The only thing that I am trying to keep in mind, I do want some to be thicker than others. So as long as you're not making the stripes all the exact same width, then that's fine. But again, you're free to do whatever it is that you see for your look. Now I'm just going to take a black Paradise paint, outline that, and just shade that inward like I did earlier with the rest of the chest pieces. So just to finish off the look, last step, I'm going to be taking some of that black body paint and I'm just going to draw kind of accent lines like a comic book character would have. Nothing crazy, it can look drawn on, uneven. It's kind of actually the look you're going for instead of more perfect. So alright friends, so this is the completed look. I popped on my wig and my little hat. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and took something out of it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.